Good morning everyone. Oh my god, luckily last night we get to sleep quite well for like 5 to 6 hours, and right now we are walking to see another tourist destination before we leave Budapest. So we just took this one, electrical bus or a tram, I'm not sure how to call it because they do have wheels. But right now we are walking to the shoes. I don't know how to say the proper name, so I'm gonna call them the shoes. And coming here in the morning is a really good choice. As you can see by my shirt, the wind is blowing and it's a cool wind as well.
Következő megálló, Országház látogatóközpont.
Look at the view. Just dropped my cousin and the luggages back at the train. We are traveling to Bratislava. The train goes all the way to Prague, but right now I am buying some breakfast. We came across this bakery and it looks delicious. Oh, what happened here? Anyway, it is downstairs on the underground floor of the West End shopping mall, and she's right there. So I got some bread, but unfortunately I had to use my last note from the cash that I took out from the ATM. So right now I'm trying to get like some, you know, money from the bank. So I want to keep it as a souvenir. I ran, so finally we made it. I still have what, how many? About 15 minutes till the train leave, and right now it's going to be 2.5 hour ride from here to Bratislava in Slovakia. Wow. Day 4, the 4th country. Here we go. This is probably my first truly European meal. Meat and bread and a croissant. Since I've been here, what, in Frankfurt on Saturday last week, I've been eating McDonald's, KFC, some Asian food, and then that's it. Like, when you are in Europe, you're supposed to eat European food, right? Authentic in each country. Like in Germany, German sausage, and then here in Hungary, you're supposed to eat like Hungarian food. But now I'm eating bread and croissant, which is French. Like, I am all over the place. So the train here from Budapest to Bratislava or to Prague, they do check, so guys, don't do anything weird. They do like a hole punch here, so we know that it has been checked. So right now we at stop number 3, and this is the last stop of Hungarian side. The next one will be at the Slovakia side, and we are crossing the border at the moment, but it doesn't even feel like a border, and it's starting to rain a little bit, as you can see here. Hopefully we get there won't be any raining or something, because yesterday was so hot, but today it starts to rain. We have arrived in Bratislava, Slovakia now. Right now we're walking to the hotel that I have booked. It's very close, only 4 minutes walk. So our room is 25 and we have arrived. 25? Guys, I knew this was going to be a hotel, but it looks quite fancy. Slide, just hang on a sec. Okay, open. Cast keys in. Hey, not bad. Got some tea, coffee, and then, of course, gonna do some mirror, TV, a desk, table, 2 twin beds. Oh, look at the shower. You can actually see inside. And wait, oh, the view is nothing. Well, we didn't pay for the view, so why do we care? Oh, what? They even got my name on the screen. That is so cool. Like, dear Mr. Something. Damn, it's probably the fanciest that we have ever been in this trip. Okay, let's check out the bathroom real quick. Hair dryer, pretty decent. And guess what? There's like a makeup mirror here. Oh, my face, so big. Good morning. Good morning. It's 3 p.m. Good afternoon, everyone. I just woke up from a nap, took a shower and changed. Actually, I put on my big jumper because it is like 20 something degree. But now, since I'm outside for like 5 minutes, it is quite hot. So I don't know if I want to keep it on or not. We are going to a castle. My cousin is leading the way right now, and we're trying to catch a bus to go there. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes. I will take you guys over there. We are walking uphill to the Bratislava castle, and look. Actually, I assumed it was some kind of Asian castle when my cousin told me, but since I am here at the moment, it is quite a modernization of the name castle. Anyway, the weather is so crazy. It's like that Katy Perry song, hot and cold, you know. It's now it's hot, but then you got like some cold wind once in a while, and then you get cold again. What? Look at the view. Oh, this is good. after taking some photo in the front of the castle, we have come into the courtyard. I believe that's what it's called. And look, quite ordinary so far. I guess we only have to go in to see what an amazing place this is. So to get inside the museum, you have to buy a ticket for an entry, and since we don't have enough time, we decided not to go inside. We have to spend at least half an hour to an hour to get to know everything, to read, to just go around the castle or inside the castle, inside the museum. So yeah, we decided not to do it, unfortunately. However, we will use this time just to walk around the place instead, and then, you know, take some more good shots.